Hello dear students, good morning all of you. We are learning your 9th standard mathematics chapter, that is real numbers. We have learned what is meant by real numbers, okay? After that we have seen rational and irrational numbers. In that, in previous video we have seen the classification, that is decimal form of rational number. Okay, decimal form of rational number further classified into two types. First one is the terminating type and second one is non-terminating recurring type. I have told you how to classify the terminating and non-terminating or recurring type of decimal point of rational numbers. We will start to solve your practice set 2.1. Okay, see, I am reading the question. Please refer the textbooks. First question is, classify the decimal form of given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. What we have to do is, they have given us sub 5 points, sub 5 questions, and we have to decide whether that the given rational numbers is terminating type or non-terminating or recurring type. So how we will decide? By seeing the rational number whether it is terminating or non-terminating. The idea for that is, notice the prime factors. Okay, if the denominator, the prime factors are 2 and 5 only. Okay, if prime factors are 2 and 5 only, then the rational number will be terminating. Keep in mind how to classify whether the given rational number is terminating or non-terminating. If the prime factors of given rational numbers are 2 and 5 only, then the given equation or the given fraction is of terminating type. Okay, and if the factors are even prime numbers other than 2 and 5, then the given prime number is non-terminating or recurring type. If the factors are 2 and 5, then it will be terminating, and the factors will be other than 2 and 5, it will be non-terminating. So simple at it. Okay, see, we will solve the question number first. I have written on board the sub question from question number first is, determine, we have to classify whether the decimal form of given rational number is either a terminating type or non-terminating recurring type. See, the first example is 13 upon 5. You can see the denominator over here is 5, and if the factors or denominator is 5, okay, then 2 or 5, then the fraction or the number will be, rational number will be type of terminating. So I have written here, denominator is 5, the factors of 5 is 1 into 5, the factors of 5 is 1 into 5. So since 5 is the only prime number factor denominator, okay, so the decimal form of rational number 13 upon 5 will be terminating type. Why it will be terminating type? Because the factor is 5, and if there are factors like 2 and 5, these two are the factors, then the rational number will be of terminating type. Here you can see the factor of 5 is, denominator is 5, the factor of denominator 5 is 1 into 5. So 5 is the only prime factor of this rational number. Therefore, this rational number will be of terminating type. We will see the second example. It is 2 upon 11. Now here you can see the denominator is what? Denominator is 11. So what we have to do is, we have to factorize the denominator. How we will do that? 11 is 11 into 1. Okay, we will if we will factorize this denominator 11, then it will come as 11 into 1, since the denominator is other than prime factors 2 or 5. You can see here the factors are 1 into 11. You can see these are the prime factors but other than 2 and 5, and if the prime factors are other than 2 and 5, then it will be of non-terminating recurring type. Okay? If the factors are 2 and 5, then the rational number will be type of terminating, and the factors will be other than 2 and 5, then it will be the non-terminating recurring type. Here you can see the factors are other than 2 and 5. It's 1 and 11. Therefore, the decimal form of rational number 2 by 11 will be non-terminating recurring type. Got it? Now see the third example, 29 upon 16. The denominator of this fraction is 16. Then we will factorize the 16. How we will do that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You can count 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. Okay? Therefore, the factorization of 16 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay? Then you can see, since the denominator, since what we can write? Since 2 is the only prime factor, the decimal form of rational number, what is the rational number? 29 upon 16. Okay, 29 upon 16 will be of terminating type. Why it will be of terminating type? Because factors are 2 and 5. Factor is only 2 over here. But if factors are 2 and 5, then it will be of terminating type. You can see, since 2 is the only prime factor, therefore the decimal form of rational number 29 upon 16 will be of terminating type. Got it? Now we will solve the fourth one. What is the given rational number is 27 upon 125. Now we will factorize the 125. See, factors of 125 are 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, whereas 25 5s are 125. Therefore, you can see, since 5 is the only prime factor, 5 is only prime factor. So, the decimal form of given rational number 17 upon 125 will be of terminating type. The only golden rule to decide whether the given rational number is terminating or non-terminating is if the denominator factors will be 2 and 5, then it will be terminating, and if it will be other than 2 and 5, it will be non-terminating. So simple. See, here denominator is 6, the classification of 6, the factorization of 6 is 2 into 3. You can see factors are 2 and 3. If factors are 2 and 5 only, then it will be of terminating type. Here 3 is the factor, therefore it will be of non-terminating recurring type. Okay? The rational number 11 upon 6 will be of non-terminating recurring type, because if we factorize the decimal, whereas decimal is 6, the factors of 6 are 2 into 3, whereas 3 is the 2 and 5 will be the only prime numbers who will have the terminating decimal form. Here you can see the factor is 3, which is other than 2 and 5. Therefore, such type of rational numbers will be of non-terminating recurring type. This was your question number 1 from practice set 2.1. If you want the answers, you can take the screenshot. Now we will solve this second question from your practice set 2.1. See, we will solve the question number 2 from your practice set 2.1 in the next video lecture, because we have to study in detail how the follow rational numbers will be converted into decimal form. Now we will solve the question number 3 right now. Question number 3 is, write the following rational numbers into P by Q form. We have solved some questions like this question, okay? We have to write the rational numbers in P by Q form. First number is 0.6 and the point on the head of the 6. Solution is what? Let x will be 0.6, we will say it as equation number 1. So x will be what? They have such point on the head of 6. What is mean by that? It is a repeating number. Okay, it is recurring type of repeating. So thus one number 6 is repeating after decimal point. So we will take 10. Okay, 10x into, we multiply the both sides of equation number 1 by 10. So what it will be? X into 10 is 10x into 10 into 0.6 is 6.6. We will say it as equation number 1. And next what we will do? We will subtract the equation number 1 from equation number 2. Okay. So what is equation number 1? 2. 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 minus 0.6. Okay. So 10x minus x is 9x. 6.6 minus 0.6 is 6. Therefore x will be 6 upon 9. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 9. Therefore x will be 2 upon 3. So the value of x is, you can see it here, 0.6 and the bottom. So 0.6 is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay. Now we will solve the same example, that is question number 2 from your sub question 2 from your question number 3. It is, the number is 0.37 and the line on the head, that is 37, is the repeating number. So let x is equal to what? 0.37. Okay, we will say it as equation number 1. So x will be what? X will be 0.37, 37 because it is repeating number. Okay, 37 is the repeating number. Thus 3 and 7 are two repeating number. Repeating numbers after decimal point. You can see after decimal point 37 is getting repeated. Thus 3 and 7 are two repeating number after decimal point. So what we will do now? We will multiply. Okay, we will multiply this equation by 100 because two numbers are getting repeated. You can see here one number 6 is getting repeated. So we multiply the equation by 10. Here you can see two numbers, that is 3 and 7 is getting repeated. So we will multiply it by 100. So 100x into what it will come? It will come like 37 point. It will come like 37.37. See. Okay. So we will say it as equation number 2. What we have to do is we have to subtract the equation 1 and equation 2. So how it will be? 100x minus x is equal to 37.37 minus 0.37. You can say subtracting 1 by 2 or 2 by 1, whatever you can write. So 100x minus x is 99x, and 37.37 minus 0.37 is 37. So x will be what? 37 upon 99, whereas value of x is 0.37, whereas 37 is repeating number. So the answer will be 37 upon 99. This is how we had converted the rational numbers, the given rational numbers, in P by Q form. Okay. Now there are almost 3 questions remaining from sub questions from question number 3, and you have to solve it in your homework. We will stop here today. We will solve your question number 2 in detail in the next video lecture. Keep studying. Take care of yourself. Thank you.